Hey everyone, it's Rishi here. In this video, we'll check out how to add page numbers to your Word document starting from a certain page. Let's start off by adding page numbers as you normally would. Go to Insert, go to Page Number, and I'm going to choose Bottom of Page since I want my page numbers in the footer of the document. Now if you see here, the page number starts from the first title page, which we don't want. To fix that, go into the Header and Footer tab and check this box that says Different First Page. Now, as you see here, the page number will start from the second page. However, it starts from the number 2. To fix that, let's head into the page numbers section. Here, click on Format Page Numbers. Check the box that says Start At and change this 1 to a 0. Now, the page numbers start from 1 on the second page. However, in an ideal scenario, we don't want the page number to start from the table of contents page. We want it to start here. Unfortunately, if you don't want the page numbers to start from the first 2 pages, Microsoft has decided to make your life hell. To fix this issue, we're going to split the document here into sections. Let's revert everything back to how it was originally. Let's go up here in the Home tab and click on the Paragraph button. When you do that, all the formatting in the page becomes visible. At the end of your table of contents page, you'll observe a page break. Let's get rid of that by highlighting it and hitting the backspace button. All the text in the following pages comes into this page. Now let's head into the Layout tab and click on the Break section. Here, select Next Page. Here, you'll observe a section break has been added and the text from the following chapter has gone down. And now, if you double click on the footer, you'll observe it says Section 1 here. But if you scroll down, it will say Section 2. Now, let's type something into the footer like page. But you will notice the same text pops up in the previous section. That is because both sections are linked. Let's get rid of this. Let's head up into the Headers and Footers tab and you will notice the link to previous is highlighted. Let's toggle that off. Now let's type in page again in section 2. You'll now notice it doesn't come up in section 2. Now let's get rid of this text. Once again in the Headers and Footers tab, let's go up to page numbers and I once again am going to choose bottom of page. When we add that, you will notice that there are no page numbers in section 1. But you will also notice that the pages start from 3 here since this is the third page. We want this to start from 1. To fix that, let's go into the Headers and Footers tab again, choose page number, and let's select Format Page Number. Once again, let's check the Start At option, but this time let's keep it at 1. And that is it. As you see here, there are no page numbers in the first 2 pages, but all the remaining pages in the document have your page number. Anyways, if you all want a video on how to format these page numbers for something like a novel where there isn't a page number on these chapter title pages, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching this video. This is Rishi signing off.